Philadelphia. How you feeling this afternoon, Philly?
What's up, Philly?
Y'all better relax. Y'all ready to have some fun with us? We came to tell you about a man named Jesus. Is that all right? So this world can be so cold. There's always somebody trying to flex their muscles. But what they don't know is only one who has all power in his hands. So let me tell you. He can walk on water, he can move on mountains. Oh, my God is in control. There's nothing he can handle, you should know. Oh, no. Didn't work out for you. Don't you think it's time to give it all to him? I dare you to trust in you. Have nothing to lose, but everything to gain. Something about that. I'm telling you, he's undeniable. Just let go and let him go through. Watch the blessings come right in front of you. He will never leave you. He'll never forsake you. Maybe not coming close to you. Always right on time of you. You got that side. I got y'all over here that don't make it look bad. So we just gonna do a call and response. Y'all gotta repeat after me, okay? Y'all got me? Alright, here we go. Follow me. Get to know him. Get to know him. Get to